Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. Get one of these at a low cost, fast and free shipping, and see what other goodies they have to offer besides this item. But if you like this item, all you got to do is click the link, add it to your cart, and check out now so they can ship this to you fast. And hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. We got some kind of winter storm coming out by us. So all you guys on the East Coast, stay warm tonight. It's going to be cold outside. There we go. Andobil, this is coming from. Tripod stand, lightweight portable stand. I think it's for the iPhones and more, so you can pretty much use them on all, I do believe. So definitely check these guys out and see what other goodies they got to offer. Drop you guys down a little bit. Here we go. And this will be coming handy, especially now what's going on with everything. People are vlogging and doing Twitch, streaming on Facebook and Snapchat, TikTok, and all that good stuff. So this will help you guys out a lot. Put this together. It'd be hard to do it that way. Right there, tripod stand. We got the holster for the phone. Excuse me. I got twisty twist. All right. We got a remote control for selfie mode. Let's take a look. Nice little travel pouch bag. Ooh, this is a nice one. Should be an easy one to set up. Might want to get one for yourself, a friend. Okay. See how this works. It's like a rocket. This is a nice one. So far, this is what it looks like. Sure, I could do selfie mode. Got my phone right there. Got that out of the bag. Got this ready to go. I gotta see which way is which. So this goes. Okay. That goes on top like that. There we go. Meet you guys up top. You can always take this. There we go. Adjust it to where you want it. Oops. But it fits over your phone cases, like so. That's a pretty thick phone case too, so clamps nicely in. You gotta make sure this goes through this way probably. And then, oh yeah. Oops. She got it nice and locked in. Have it this way, or I could turn it that way. I'm gonna be like that way, and then take that end. Make sure that's like that. Stick it through the hole. And it should come out the other side. And then oops, give me 1 sec. Alright guys, we got it positioned in good. See the silver right there? Just hold it like so, and then twist, and then you can feel it once it gets in the grooves. You can always adjust it too. So like that. There we go. And if you like it, just lock it in place. And for these clips right here, drop you guys down right there. One, you can extend it. Wow. 2, you could really extend it. 3, supersize it. 4, king size. Holy moly. Now this is a tripod. Look at that. All the way up. Now this is a professional studio. You can get a couple of those. And that's crazy. Now let's take a look at the selfie mode. I mean, you can use a Bluetooth remote. It's easy to set up. Gonna make sure you are ready. There we go. I got it locked in place. Enter my password. I still remember it. There we go. Here we go, guys. We got that locked in. Is it your... Oh, not... Come on. Trying to find the camera. There we go. You can really extend your arm all the way. That's crazy, guys. Definitely to get this one, guys, is well worth it. The price is excellent. Great quality. This is like a professional tripod recording. Look at that. So definitely check them out. Like I said, Bluetooth remote. Works on iPhones. I do believe Galaxies. Pretty much just click the link and read the description. And like I said, you guys will get this in no time. And that's about it for today. So, be a short video. Andobil tripod stand. Easy to put together. Super nice. Here's what the bottom looks like. There we go. Alright, so have a good night.